Beneath the cliffs of an African river, a lion cub is trapped, calling softly for his pride above. The slope is too steep, the mud too slick. His struggle for life does not forgive trespassers. The hippo lunges jaws wide, strength explosive, yet the cub slips between the rocks, spared by the agility of youth. The walls rise high around him, and danger circles closer. From beneath the surface, a crocodile bursts upward, a blur of muscle and power. The cub escapes, then another strikes. Again he dodges, a second miracle. But the third attack comes swift and silent. In one terrible instant, the crocodile's jaws close. The cub is dragged beneath, his desperate fight brought to an end. The water churns with motion, a swirl of scales and strength. The crocodiles divide what remains. Across the river, a crocodile emerges to bask. Eyes half closed beneath the sun. But one lion with a burst of power, she charges, and the pride follows. The crocodile is taken by surprise, surrounded by claws and fury. A lion's bite can crush with nearly 700 pounds of force, enough to pierce a crocodile's armored hide. In this moment, the scales of power tilt once more, a fierce reminder that in nature, survival never forgets. It is vengeance, pure and primal. The lions tear through its flesh and feed, restoring their pride and balance.